ya Nyamira kiombe kirigete tamangana yobo chenu enseng ma WHO na bego na bwatani bandu bobo chenu ase county ya Nyamira ni go baichaniro commenta ko worweire bweso sera gose malaria obokoleto ne chinkoromba gose chiumbu ase nsemeje kerenge kibono ngo gyakinre weke kerango gya 10 ase miage kolengani wane chinga kichiamagega awaze semo yobo chenu gote yabuna negendrete ko irobuli akone kingo nyalere kwera ninse ekerenga okyoburere buno muri kito kurase county ya Nyamira jabuma ange agotomanya
Kobwatekana ne kiombe getenenerete obochenu ensengima World Health Organization oboroire bwa malaria negatia maroire aireire abantu abange gosiria amagimabo ase county Nyamira eregatie county oboroire obugendrete kogosia amagima y'abantu abange bunatoba tokwererwa na Wilson Momanyi oyoromo bisa ase bizare obochenu e county Nyamira.
Our positivity rate currently is at 10%. It's slightly higher, but we are working on it as a county to bring it down. And the cases are mainly in Manga, Nyamira North, and Nyamira South.
Kobwatekana na Hilary Ingeso omobisa kurwase kiumbe gya Catholic Medical Mission Board nateba ningo bagendrate kobwaterana ne county Nyamira gwetera abakoli emeremo bokwerwa community health volunteers asokurwania oboroirobo.
So part of what we do is we build people who are called community health volunteers. So community volunteers are individuals that are in the community and trained to provide health services. Community test kits where they are able to test in the community. And for those that are positive or are confirmed to have malaria, then they are able to treat them. So they have medication that they can give them, treat them, and they now monitor the treatment, how they are progressing, and just follow.
Abamenyi be county Nyamira basemigwa gotumeka chinet na gosemigwa erinde kurwania oboroire bwa malaria.
Just talked about bed issues. So one of the significant interventions that to malaria is but you find that not everyone wants to be able to use that because of various reasons. Seeking behaviors information, knowing that if you have malaria, what do you need to do? You need to access medication, people just sit and say, especially for men, say, let me monitor, maybe by tomorrow it will be okay.
Buna entira moyo kurwania oboroire wa malaria nigo county Nyamira erachi kwaliganeri tukolinene ryo kurwania oboroire wa malaria World Malaria Day chitariki emerongo ebere na isano wiki egocha.
The theme for this year's Malaria Day will be time to deliver zero malaria, which in Kiswahili is tekeleza wajibu wako tuimalize malaria.
Omojega oyunigora koreke asegetigie kerenyo asomogeni bwesiko arachiko bo mwaziri bwechisemi Ezekiel Machogu na goikirono no mwaziri bobochenu Susan Nakumincha na baraibande.
And we thank the national government for giving us this opportunity to host this occasion. It's an international, it's a global function which is being celebrated globally. And as Nyamira County, we are very, very pleased to have been given this opportunity to hold this function here.
Kuruase County Nyamira, Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Ma.